If I do this every day, I said often. How many times you walk away, not so often.
Yo, what's up guys, I'm 50 back to a video. So we have the case. It's the, hold up. It's the black and blue. So we're gonna be unboxing. Nzxt powder from Amazon. So let's get it. The PC.
Tonight, fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight. Tonight.
Oh my god. This is what I'm building on. It looks pretty nice, bro. Pretty nice. I'm gonna put some LED lights inside. I have my PC parts over there. They're over there. I'm gonna do a video when I'm building it. I'm just doing an unboxing of it right now. But yeah, I already got all the parts, so I'm gonna show you guys the parts. So yeah, I'll show you guys when I do it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be building it. Oh god, I don't want this to scratch. But yeah, it's pretty big. But yeah, guys, I do recommend it if you guys build it in blue. There's a blue version. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Be a warrior.